are using Tech TDM pulse code modulation transmitter kit. Over here we have these four types of signal: DC signal 1, DC signal 2, and here is 2 kilohertz sine wave, and here is 4 kilohertz sine wave. This is my function generator, means input signal. Here is my analog signal. This analog signal is fed it to our this operational amplifier, and here is our second operational amplifier. If we are using same signal, then we have to short this. We have to apply 4 kilohertz over this and 4 kilohertz over this, and over here sampling process is occurred, and here we get the sampled signal as shown in figure. This is my input frequency signal, which is my 4 kilohertz signal. This is 3.98711 kilohertz as shown in figure. This is my input signal, and it is my sampled signal, which is this. And when I connect it to sample and hold, the output changes, and this is my exact sample and hold signal, or you can say it is a digital signal from this analog signal. This is my sample and hold signal. Thank you.